Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost Insta tool in Termux. First, ensure you have Termux installed from a trusted source, such as F-Droid, to guarantee stability and security. Next, open Termux and run the commands pkg update and pkg upgrade to update all your packages. This step is crucial for preventing compatibility issues. Finally, grant Termux storage permissions, allowing it to access and manage files on your device. Now, let's install the essential packages needed for the Ghost Insta tool. You will need Python and Git. Use the command pkg install Python Git to install both. After installation, confirm they are correctly set up by typing Python version and Git version. This ensures that the environment is ready for the tool's operation and that you have the correct versions, typically Python 3.8 or higher. With the dependencies in place, it's time to get the Ghost Insta tool. Use git clone repository URL to download the tool from its GitHub repository. Once cloned, change your directory into the Ghost Insta folder using cd Ghost Insta. Then, install the tool's specific Python requirements by running pip install r requirements, txt. Finally, launch the tool by executing Python Ghost, py or the main script name, following the tool's documentation. Before using any such tool, it is vital to understand the implications. Always use these tools responsibly and in accordance with platform terms of service to avoid account suspension. Be cautious about potential security risks, as third-party tools can sometimes compromise your account. Always download tools from their official, trusted sources to prevent malware. Finally, ensure you fully comprehend the tool's functionality and its ethical use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.